Welcome to today's video. Our friends have a home in Idaho. It's on Blackhawk Lake. Today is a maiden voyage of the Mavic 3 Classic drone. We're going to fly around the lake, and the wife and friends have had a 30-minute head start out onto the lake, and we're going to see if we can locate them while we explore around the lake. The stability on this drone with the camera is incredible. I can't believe how it maintains its stability. The gyros on this are great. All right, let's look for everybody because they got to be around here somewhere. We've got 2 people on paddle boards, and we've got a duo and a kayak. So let's see what we can find. Whoa, I think we found a kayak. And it looks like I see 2 people on that bad boy, and I see a person to the left, person to the right. Yeah, there we go. We have found our subjects. This drone, it's registered with the FAA. We're allowed 400 feet. This is really a breathtaking view. This video really doesn't do what you see justice as much as seeing it in person. There's our house nestled in the woods. We'll go around the lake again. We walk around this lake in the morning, and it takes about an hour, hour and a half to get all the way around it. Oh, there we go. There's my wife and Dina. They haven't capsized. They're still chugging along. All right, now it's time to bring the drone home. I think it's down to like 37% battery. And this is the maiden voyage of flying in out of sight, which technically you're not supposed to do per the FAA, but hey, the trees are in the way. So now we're going to bring this baby home. And thank goodness I have collision avoidance, because I've already would have dunked this in the lake one time, and now we're going to weasel this through the trees to land it where it needs to land. I got to take that baby up far enough where I can see where it is and fly it back to me. Whoa, there I am. Oh, I see a cornhole game down there on the path. Oh, and a hammock. Look, there's a hammock in the background. All right, there's the stump that was the takeoff spot. And the return to home spot, when you hit the button, it knows where it's supposed to come back. But that drone knows where it took off from. But when I hit return to home, it told me it couldn't land itself because it was not stable. So now it's up to me to land this baby under the tree stump, which I've never done before. I've always done automatic land. So now we're going to do manual land, and we'll see how it goes. We have a dog in the background that wants to kill this drone. Ta-da! All right, we made it.